Are you looking for a way to enjoy healthy smoothies that taste absolutely amazing? Well, you're in right place. From our favorite ingredients to tricks for enhancing taste, we will guide you every step of the way. Get ready to join us in the kitchen and unlock the secrets of creating delicious and nutritious smoothies that you won't want to miss out. Smoothies have become an incredibly popular way to consume fruits and vegetables in a convenient, delicious and healthy way. They are a quick and easy way to get in essential nutrients that we may otherwise miss out on, especially for those who don't enjoy eating raw fruits and vegetables. While smoothies can be a great addition to your diet, it's important to make sure they're made with the right ingredients and in correct balance. One of the biggest advantages of making smoothies is that they are incredibly versatile. You can customize them to your individual taste preference and nutritional needs. However, if you are new to making smoothies, you may find yourself unsure about what ingredients to use and how to balance them. In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at some of the best ingredients to use in your smoothies, as well as how to balance the sweetness and nutrition. We will also explore some creative ways to make your smoothies extra delicious. First one is base ingredients. The base of your smoothie is what creates the creamy texture and provides some of the flavor. Almond milk is an excellent option for a smoothie base. It's low in calories, rich in nutrients, and has a creamy texture that pairs well with other ingredients. Coconut milk, soy milk, or even plain old water can also be used as a base. Yogurt is another great option to add to your smoothies. It provides a tangy flavor, protein, and probiotics that promote gut health. Greek yogurt is particularly beneficial because it has even more protein than regular yogurt. Next one are fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are the star ingredients of the smoothie. They provide essential nutrients and natural sweetness to your drink. Frozen fruits, as mentioned in the video, are particularly great to use because they can make the smoothie extra cold and creamy. Some popular fruit to add to your smoothies are bananas, berries, mangoes, and pineapples. In terms of vegetables, spinach and kale are excellent options because they are mild in flavor and packed with nutrients. If you're new to adding vegetables to your smoothies, start with just a small amount and work your way up. You can also try adding other veggies like carrots, beets, or cucumbers for a different taste and added nutrients. Next one are sweeteners. Smoothies are naturally sweet thanks to the fruits and vegetables, but some people may prefer a sweeter taste. In this case, it's important to use natural sweeteners to avoid adding refined sugar to your drink. Dates are an excellent option for adding natural sweetness to your smoothie. They are full of fiber and other nutrients and provide a rich, caramel-like flavor. Other natural sweeteners you can use include honey, maple syrup, and agave nectar. However, it's important to use them in moderation as they can add a lot of calories and sugar to your smoothie. Another important attribute to the smoothie is flavorings. Adding spices and other flavorings to your smoothie can help enhance the taste and make it more enjoyable. Cinnamon and nutmeg are excellent spices to add as they provide warmth and depth to the smoothie. You can also try adding vanilla extract, almond extract, or even a pinch of salt to bring out the other flavors. Aside from the basic ingredients, there are plenty of additional add-ins you can use to boost the nutritional value of your smoothie. Chia seeds are an excellent source of protein, fiber, and omega-3 fatty acids. Flax seeds are another great option that can help regulate digestion and boost heart health. Other popular add-ins include nut butters like almond or peanut butter, protein powder, and coconut milk. These add-ins can help provide healthy fats, additional protein, and other nutrients to your smoothie. Nut butter are a great source of healthy fats and can help to make your smoothie more filling. If you're looking to add protein to your smoothie, there are a variety of protein powders available that can be added to the blender. Be sure to choose a protein powder that is made from high-quality ingredients and is free from added sugars and artificial flavors. Coconut oil is another great add-in that can provide healthy fats and subtle coconut flavor to your smoothie. If you're looking for a smoothie that's more like a meal, you can also add some grains or seeds to make it more filling. Oats are a great option as they provide complex carbohydrates and fiber. One thing to keep in mind when making smoothies is to be mindful of the calories and sugar content. Be sure to use natural sweeteners in moderation and try to balance out your smoothie with a variety of nutrient-dense ingredients. In conclusion, smoothies are a great way to pack in a ton of nutrition in a delicious and convenient package. With the right ingredients and a little bit of creativity, you can make a smoothie that's not only healthy but also tastes amazing. So go ahead and experiment with different ingredients and flavors until you find the perfect smoothie for you. And that's it! Thank you for joining us today in this video. If you found this information helpful and enjoyable, we would love for you to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest healthy and delicious recipes. Don't forget to explore our channel for more fantastic recipes and cooking tips to inspire your culinary adventures. And be sure to stay tuned for our next video where we'll be sharing 4 delicious smoothie recipes you won't want to miss out. See you soon in the next video, happy cooking and goodbye!